So welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at what you'll be expecting on our GBP JPY. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button now. Click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any single update. So if you take a look at this GBP JPY, it has just given us a breakout, and that breakout is a breakout of our resistance level, which is that's very surprising. I mean, it is what we should be expecting in the long term, especially for position traders. Reason is that first, let's take a look at our trend. What is our trend? Before you take a trade, you would want to know the trend of that trade, and it is very clear that GBPJPY is in an uptrend move. Market is giving us that bullish move. Now take a look at what this GBPJPY did. Let's start from here for quick analysis. If this is your high on GBPJPY, this is also the higher low. This is your higher high, and here is the higher low. So it's also give us this position, which is an higher high, and here comes the higher low. So market eventually push up again to form a new higher high, right? This is an higher low high. So later on, market should give us an higher low, and that higher low will come to retest this level, which it broke out from, which is your resistance level. So guys, be patient for market to pull back to come to retest the resistance level. Once it retests the resistance level, then you can go ahead and take in your buy, as in the long term, in the long run, GBPJPY will still give us that bullish move. It will still continue to push up. So what you would want to be is patient enough for it to pull back to retest your resistance level. Then you can now go ahead and take in your buy on GBPJPY. If there are any changes to this movement we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys know. You just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll be putting a link to the Telegram in the comment section.